Hello, this is Professor Erbas. This is an orientation for your summer 2014 Math 10 online. The ticket number is 60560. Make sure you are in the right place. If you do everything that I'm telling you, you don't have to come to in-person orientation, even though it says so in the schedule of classes. Let's get started. All right, your lifeline. You need to be familiar with this. I will click on it, and so you can see it. Hopefully it will open fast enough. And, okay, somewhat fast enough. You need to understand that you're going to email from this email area. You need to understand that you need to be familiar with academics, this area, and you go schools and departments, math and mathematics, and you go to faculty, and you go to my web page, and this is like your lifeline. And I will put online course information there about midterm, final. Let's say you lose everything, I will just put it in there so you can look at it. The math videos, you can watch them right here. You can go to statistics. When you go in there, they open up, and each one is about 30 minutes or so. You just click on it, and you learn how to use your calculator. So that is that. So let's go back. And, oh, the other thing in there is the Math Center. You need to, if you need any help during summer, sign up with the Math Center. Go to Google it, Math Center at IVC, and they are in B300 building. They will have new summer hours, but you can use them, and it's free. Sign up for it the first week of classes. Start using them, do your videos, and do your homework and everything there, and that will really help you. All right, I showed you this website. Make sure you write it down or just, bookmark it in your computer. All right, now, again, this one is the website that we are going to use to do all the work, most of the work. So let me go in there, and I will show you. Right here, you have, I will get the class ID from there, so 60560. So what you're going to do the first time you come here, you're going to go to Student, and you're going to go to Register. And here, I'm begging you, please enter either your IVC or Saddleback email account. Because when you don't do that, it comes from a Google account or Yahoo account, and it goes straight to trash. So you want to be consistent with this class. Enter your email address at IVC or Saddleback for that. Now you need an email, so we talked about it, IVC or Saddleback. Course ID. So your course ID is Erbas-White 58544, and then you have a credit card. That's it. So let's go, all right? And course ID is going to be Erbas-White for your class. You're going to enter 58544 and then continue. And then you cannot sign in. You have to create an account. Create. You're going to enter your email address, Jane Doe 1. Let's say 99 at ivc.edu. Your username, use either this or just say Jane Doe, or you can do it this way. Password, let's say my password, and it wants certain things. Oh, okay, it doesn't like this. Okay. Now it likes it. Password, you're going to use, I don't know, Jane Doe, whatever, re-enter it. All right, and then, I don't know, I don't want to take too much time. Then you enter your first name, last name, a security question, what time were you born in, security answer. You enter all that, Make sure all these red things are done. You have to accept and create an account, and it's going to take you to the class. All right? Now, let me close this. Go back to the PowerPoint. Where is it? All right, let me close that. Here we go. All right, so you have to pay. It's about $100 or so. Do not buy the book. The book is online. When you pay for the access, then you're going to have access to the book. All right? Now, the other thing you need to do is write this down. You get in trouble. Here's the telephone support, 24/7. Put this down. You can contact them, email or chat line. You click in here or click in there. So if you get in trouble, ask them. I will help you with your math, and they will help you with your technical problems. Okay, here we go. This is the information. Now, if you watch this video but you're kind of like at a loss, I don't know what I'm doing, this is what you do. On June 16, come at 7 o'clock to BISTIC 104. Problem, our system is kind of broken and the room allocation is not working very well. Right now it's BISTIC 104. It may change. I will email you I will email you that information, and I will put the sign on BISTIC 104 for you to go to the new classroom if that's applicable. But June 16 at 7 o'clock. Okay, now put this down. This class has 3 in-person orientations. The next 3 in-person meetings. The first one is orientation that I waive with this video and with a bunch of things that you need to do. The second one is the midterm, location to be determined. I don't know it yet, but it is on July 18 at 7 o'clock, okay? And that's on a Friday night. Make arrangements. Don't take off and go to Hawaii in the middle of this class. All right, final exam, August 8th, non-negotiable, 7 o'clock, 7 to 9. Again, location to be determined. And we're going to be in and out of this in 8 weeks. It's very fast. Make sure that we are covering 2 chapters a week, which is crazy, but you're taking this class online. All right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the site and show you around a little bit. The site, I gave you that information, is that one, Pearson My Math Lab. Now that you got your username and your email and all this, you can sign in. I'll sign in with my password. When you sign in, you're going to see your class on the left. And I told you, you are 60560. It's going to look like this. I have no students right now. When you click on it, there are a couple of areas you need to see. And I'll send you all that information in writing on top of this. In the body of this class, you're going to see announcements. And the announcements will also be sent to you. Okay? Your syllabus is right here. Announcements are right here. I just put them in here. And you just read those. And then upcoming assignments and stuff are all here. The first thing, syllabus. When you go in there, this is the syllabus, print this out. Okay, it's coming up, and it tells you where things are. And in the syllabus, you have this timeline. Make sure that you put all these deadlines. You missed the deadlines, you missed the deadlines. So make sure you understand this, okay? There are some assignments in there, and I'll just show you. How do I grade? Homework. You are doing homework online. 10 points each. Don't miss it. You can get 100% in here. Online quizzes. You do this online, only one time, take. Okay? Second time, you're not going to be able to take. You have a drill midterm and drill final. That's going to be opened up 1 week before the midterm and the final. And then you come to IVC. You take the midterm, and then you keep going. And then for the final, you have a drill final. Now, you have discussion board postings. You don't do those, you don't get those 11 points. Okay? I'll show you where they are. And you're supposed to email me on a weekly basis, telling me what you're doing. A typical email. Email number 1 from your ticket number 60560, and I am in your Math 10 class. My name is Jane, and I finished Chapter 1. I'm feeling pretty confident. I did this, I did that. Thank you very much. That's a typical email. All right? Now, ebook. I told you not to buy the book. You click on the chapter, you click on the section. It will open up multimedia text. You read it. Okay? So, if you want to buy the book, you can buy the book. It's the California edition, second edition. That's going to be in your syllabus by Triola. But it has this surfing girl thing on, and then it has the book. You can print things out. You can look at them. You can do whatever the heck you want. All right? So that's that. All right. Now, appendices, they have the stats tables. We are going to start doing those. Just look at those when you look at it in there. All right. You're going to have to buy, even though you're not buying the book, you're buying the access, so you're saving some money. You have to buy a TI-83 or TI-84. Otherwise, you're going to run out of time. So my videos will tell you how to use your TI. Okay, if you go in there, you go right here, and then here, displaying data, and then you go in there and you watch it. Okay? These videos are also in YouTube. It takes a little while to open them up. You can also cut and paste this link. And here it is. It didn't open because it is outside that. So let me go to another browser. It's just taking time. If your browsers have issues, you can actually, let's see if it's going to open here. If it doesn't open here, I don't know, something is wrong. You go to YouTube. I have to get that fixed. You Google Ilkner, Erbas White, the first hit. When you go in there, you click on My Playlist, and this will open on any technology. If you go down, let's see, Playlists, you want to go to Statistics. I have a lot of stuff here. Okay, Statistics, here we go. Displaying data, you go in there. This is for Chapter 1. And it's pretty much stuff that you can watch.
He entered the frequency table, but I'll explain how I did that.
All right.
The first column is going to be the class list.
All right. Watch these videos. That's all I can tell you. All right. The other thing you have is homework. You click on homework, and you do the homework. There is a deadline. No extensions on the deadline. Click on the homework. Do it. There's something called Ask My Professor. You're on the last resort. You can actually go and ask me, but it should just pretty much guide you through everything, and you will not need that feature. You see Ask My Instructor. You can read your textbook. You can get some tech help if your browser is not working or whatever. Okay? All right. That's homework. Quizzes. Now let's look at the quizzes. Like I told you, they expire on this time, only one take. Close your door and take the thing. And then here's the midterm drill. That's graded. Final drill. This is multiple takes, but the quizzes are only one take. Now look at these things. Email 1, email 2. You're supposed to do this every week, sometimes twice a week. The deadlines are there. I'm ready to start. All you have to say is, yeah, is it true you email? So you email me. You say, okay, Miss White, I did this, I did that. You come here, you say true, and you submit test, and that will give you, excuse me, a point for contacts just automatically. Do not forget to do them, because it may make a difference. All right, grade book. All right, you look at your grades from here. It will tell you what you did and correct total, and make sure that you understand what it is. Discussion board. You're going to do a discussion for each chapter. This is how you do it. You read it, for example, give an example for each. You respond, and you type it up. Here it is. And now you post response, and I look at this, and you have to do that within deadline. Data sets, if I ask you a question in the homework, looking at the data, make sure that you print it out from here. Midterm news, it comes closer, I'll put the news here. and now you need to do the exit survey. I will send you an email giving you instructions about what to do before you come to orientation. That will entail pretty much emailing me, getting in here, buying the thing, and get started on the homework. All right, you do all that, you don't have to come in. You watch this video and wait for my email 1 week before classes start. Okay, if you don't get the email, you're lost, you're on vacation, make sure you come to orientation. All right, nice meeting you.